Hi everyone, thanks for visiting the channel. Today I'm going to share how to create animated scrolling Facebook feed in Canva. In Canva, I will choose Instagram post portrait size and then I will type square and then I will choose in the frame and I will choose this element. I will place it here and increase the size like this. And then I will type here circle. I will add also in the frame and I will reduce the size. So this will be a profile picture. Add a square. Change the color to this gray and reduce the size like this and increase the width to be the same like the page width and then reduce the height like this so it become a line. And then I will go to text and change the alignment to left and then type here name so it will be the name of this Facebook account. Select all and make it bold, and I will change the font size to 28. Enter, and then let's add some Facebook icon like the three dot here and also the close button. Change the color to this gray and this one also this gray. Select them both and then reduce the size like this. I'll place the X here and the three dots here. And then I will move it to the top a little and duplicate it and we'll place it here. Unbold the text and change the color to this gray and reduce the size to 24. And then this is the time uploaded, like maybe 1 hour. And then the privacy icon. Go to element and I will use this globe icon. I will change the color to this gray and reduce the size to be placed here. All right, and then go to the bottom part and then add the like and love icon here. I will choose this one and this one. I will make it like this and then select them both and reduce the size and place it here. Reduce more and then duplicate this text and bring them to the bottom and bring it here. Type the number like maybe 900 123 and then duplicate it. Place it here. I type here like comments and duplicate for the share counts. And then select this three, right click and align element middle. Okay, now let's add some icon. I will add this like button and then the comment and then call and share. Okay, now let's change the color to this gray. All right, now go to position, layers, and then select this four icon, reduce the size, reduce more, and I will place it here. I will select them all and right click, alignment, and middle. Now let's duplicate this text and place it here. We change it to like. and then select them all, right click, alignment, and mirror. So now you have the template. Now let's open new Canva. Click this button and make a copy. And then I will change the name to Facebook feed. And I will name it Facebook feed template. Alright, now open the copy. And then I will duplicate it 4 times. So I will have 5 pages here. Go to the first and I will start inserting the elements. Like for the first, I will insert this image here and make this one as the profile picture and change the names maybe like James. And if you want to add the caption, just select this all and then drag to the bottom a little and then just type here. Okay. And then you can change the number. And then repeat the steps to the other pages. Okay, now click this thumbnail view. Click duration. Make it 2 seconds. Apply to all pages. And click duration again. And click space between pages. And then add slide. And choose this up button. And then add the duration to 0.8. And then scroll down and apply between all pages. Now let's play it. And then download it as MP4 or GIF. So now you have it. If you like this tutorial, please share to your social media. See you next video and have fun with Canva.